I saw a big cartoon of a close-up of, on dogs, they have this flea. Tamil ennu சொல்லுவாங்க? The tick, flea. Dog will be always scratching like this with a small insects will be inside. Whatever. So it seems that flea conference is going on. All the fleas are sitting on top of the dog. But they don't know it's a big dog. They are very small. So a few hairs and all he has drawn. And with a small banner is put. Annual flea conference. And all the fleas are sitting here and watching. And the main flea is speaking. How do you know that there is a dog? He's telling. It's the opposite of say, how do you know there is God? They put it as a cartoon. The flea, the main master flea, chairman is telling, how do you know there is something called a dog? But they're discussing all this on top of the dog's backside. But they don't know it is so huge, the dog, they can't make out. They're small, no? Between one hair to the other, they are walking. They don't know the size of the dog. But they have heard about something called dog. He will scratch you and he will finish you. So they are discussing in the flea conference, great danger to us. Somebody called dog is there. But they are sitting on the dog only. And the conference is saying, how do you know there is a dog? And he is looking, see, correct. How do you know there is a dog? Very good question. Then people are watching, hearing. He is sitting on the dog. And the dog can anytime finish them. Same way, Tribir Gunamayir Bhaver Mohitam. They are all under illusion and we are all thinking, where is God? I don't see God. It's like the flea sitting on this thing. Day and night you are provided everything by God only. But you ask us, great question. Where is God? Show me. Then only I'll believe it. This is 3 modes acting on you. You ask a lot of stupid questions and give answers for them yourself. You ask the question and you give the answer yourself and then walk around like as though you know everything. So, intelligence means listening to God's words. Listening to that person saying, this is what is happening to you. I only made this and you are stuck here like this. Come to me. Become my devotee. These modes will not affect you anymore. You'll become free. Mamevaye prapadyante mayametam tarantite. The secret Krishna is giving this information. Who are you? Where are you located? Why are you located like this? You are suffering. This is the way to get out of it. Everything is mentioned in the Bhagavad Gita. Full. We must believe in this. Because this is the best explanation of what's happening in this world. Who are you? Nobody else has given an explanation so authoritatively.